Good morning and welcome to the channel on this 20th day of April 2026, which is a Monday. I am totally and utterly confused with what is going on between Iran and the USA at the moment with regards to talks. JD Vance is on his way with his team to Pakistan to do the talks, but Iran has said they're not going to attend the talks. Iran's position is no talks under the blockade. Multiple sources have confirmed that Iran has declined to participate in a second round of talks in Islamabad. Iran's state media says Tehran will not attend while the US blockade of Iranian ports continues and while Washington maintains maximalist and shifting demands, whatever that is. Iranian officials also cite the US seizure of an Iranian-flagged vessel, a cargo ship, as proof that Washington is acting in bad faith. Hardliners in Tehran appear to be asserting control, reversing earlier signals of openness and reclosing of the Straits of Hormuz. The bottom line for this is that Iran is presently boycotting the next round. The US position is that the talks are open if Iran shows up. The US insists Iran must make a firm commitment not to pursue nuclear weapons. They say this is the core sticking point, but I can't see anywhere where Iran is insisting on nuclear weapons. It's more the enriched uranium. US negotiators say they made a best and final offer, but Iran did not accept it. And President Trump, with his bluster and bravado, has said the blockade will remain in full force until a deal is reached, or if a deal is not reached, then he's going to bomb all the bridges and power stations. Pakistan's role, well, they say the venue is ready, but there is no delegation from Iran. I just wonder if there is a possibility that Pakistan will sort of do this shuttle diplomacy, where America says something and then Pakistan goes to Iran and presents this, and then Iran says something and then Pakistan goes back to the US, etc. Why have the talks collapsed? Well, across all reporting, three issues repeatedly appear. One, the US naval blockade. Iran demands it be lifted before talks. The US refuses. 2, nuclear commitments. The US wants a binding pledge. Iran refuses to give one. Strait of Hormuz leverage. Iran is using control of the strait as a bargaining tool. This is not acceptable not only to America but to the entire world. So the current status is no talks, but not a permanent no. Iran says the US must gain its trust. The US say it remains open to a deal if Iran meets core conditions. Pakistan and other mediators continue urging both sides to return to the table. So the real answer is no talks today, but the diplomatic channel remains open if conditions shift. Yeah, we just don't seem to be getting very far. The ceasefire is over in a few more days, and I would hate to see it go again full force and kill more and more people. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Talk to you again soon.